Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a couple paper airplanes, and then we're going to be flying them out in the snow. So let's get started. Alright, so we're flying this plane now. If you want to see, how to make this plane in further detail, then I'm going to put the link in the description below. So let's start. There it goes. Pretty nice flight. Alright, so last flight. And if you want to check out a more detailed way on how to, make this plane, I'm going to put the link in the description below. So let's fly it. Not bad. Hey everyone, whether you liked the video or not, please like and subscribe to my channel, Aviation Corner. See you in the next one.